I've been up. I've been up early. Still ain't daylight yet. I've been watching these chainsaw videos. The guy was running a. He's pulling out a big oak. He's got a. Let me pull it there. That's a big oak.
Okay.
I don't know what language it is. Could be from overseas. It's pulling it along.
4 metre. Tento má 6 metrov.
That's 4 meters, he said. So that's 12, roughly 12-foot stick. It's got a big Zetor. Big Zetor tractor. I don't think they'll put me in prison if I show bits and pieces of that, will they? Over there, just putting the tape around it. It's gonna be what? What is that? Circumference 325 centimeters. Now what in the friggin' oh, he's gonna do it. And I'm supposed to know it and I don't. Oh, divide by, yeah, 3.14, that's right. How much is it? They never said. 4 meters diameter. What? I don't know. Yeah, that's quite a tractor. I don't want to play too much of it. I might get in trouble, but, well, they serve good food in them prisons, don't they? Oh, East Coast cabin fever. Maybe he eats some chicken. He loves that chicken. I'll measure circumference. He wants to measure the circumference, that baby. 290 centimeters. Oh, 290 centimeters by 3.14. They don't put it in inches. It's quite big. I'll tell you. I don't know why I got this. I got it. 6 meters. Whatever that is. 6 meters. That's what, 18, 19, 20 feet? Pause that for a second. He's almost done. Yeah, them old tractor. You say what you want. Well, I can tell you stuff that you can't take. You can't take a tractor